Crude oil posted a little recovery today. We have seen it moving towards the next milestone at 76.4, 76.5. But the most important thing is the support it has shown at 75. It has strengthened the positions, and now I'll wait for it to break beyond 71. While natural gas has also found a little support at 3.38, 3.4 zone. So, what to expect now from oil and gas with the US session? We also have the crude oil inventory data today from US that will also add it to the volatility here. And how to profit trading oil and gas, we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. The subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into US crude followed with net gas. Now notice the point here, what it has done on the hourly charts. It has come out of this channel and it is now trying to bounce back, see higher lows and higher highs. Now very important for oil to break beyond 76.5 and then 77 levels. If these two levels are taken, possibly we are looking forward to a greater recovery where it in fact it can reach beyond 78. See, after the rise, this is still a retracement. It has formed a nice flag, and breaking beyond 77 and 78 is where the bulls are waiting, where we can look forward to a greater recovery. But what is happening? Notice this, rise, retracement, rise. So retracement, where are the support now? 75.4, 75.5, and then 75. Only and only if these two levels are taken today, we can expect more bearishness here in oil. Stochastic dropping, MACD has bottomed, it is trying to bounce back, it is trying to rise. RSI has dropped here, coming to 2. Now notice on the 2 hour charts what is happening. Look at this pattern here, one rise, then retracement, higher lows, then second rise, and see it is almost forming a double top here and slightly higher highs, you can see. Now it is again trying to form this, possibly it can try to form couple of candles, and when then with the inventory data we can see a rise here. This possibility we cannot ignore. And now looking at this, the selling entry is only below 75.4. That is pretty clear here. Stochastic rising, the MACD is also bottomed and it is now trading with little divergence, which is a good sign for the bulls. RSI running flat on the 3 hour charts. If on the 3 hour chart, see, this could be the reversals candle. See, this is the reversal sign, then a bigger tail with lower lows has appeared, and then this reversal candle has been seen. Now see what it has done. First of all, the moving average is trading with divergence here. The prices are getting a bit of resistance here in between the 20-50 period moving average, and thus it is very important for oil to break beyond 76.5 and 77 zone. This is going to be the first critical resistance zone, then 77.4, 77.6, and beyond that 78. These are the three key levels which oil need to break in order to confirm a reversal. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. MACD has bottomed here. It has just crossed over one green candle. It means we can expect another green candle, which means it can now start to rise, and possibility exists that we may see 76.5, 77 zone. RSI flat, coming to 4 hour charts. If you see on the 4 hour chart, similar observation. Now notice this, the support levels from the 100 period moving average. Very good support is seen here, and the resistance here from the 2050. Now see, moving averages crossing over here is not a good sign for the bulls, and the resistance it is getting from the 2050 period moving average is also very important. So now I will wait for it to, I will recommend you to wait for 76.5, 76.4 zone to be taken, and then 77. Only and only if you see oil above 77, you can see that it is a reversal. Stochastic rising here. MACD has seen a good dip. It is trying to converge, not yet crossed over yet. RSI running flat here. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, notice what it has done, taking the support from the 20 period average. Now why these black, green, blue lines are important, black, green, yellow lines are important, you can watch the educational video which I shared related to the EMA, and there it is there in the playlist. There is only one educational video, you can find it, and you definitely you can find it to be useful here. Now see, this is how it is important. Now what has happened, see, it is forming a reversal sign here. Now this could be the beginning of reversal. See, at this point I have mentioned prices are trading with too much of divergence from the 20 period. It is converged here, and now it is very critical for oil to trade below 75. And yes, once it trades below 75 is where you can look forward to a greater concern. The stochastic at bottom. Now see why this could still drop. Look at the MACD crossing over here at the top, trading with divergence, looking downwards, and see this crossover is coming at a slightly higher levels, which calls for a little retracement. Let's see which direction it gives you a breakout. On the EMA, it appears the support has been taken and it is bouncing back, while the MACD is showing a further drop. RSI coming out of the overbought zone here. So now, before I provide you the levels here for trading, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch and signals channel. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of the signals channel. If you're looking forward to a broker, join the recommended broker. The link is there in the channel and video description. Now, first thing is where to buy. I'll recommend you to buy at 76.2. Expect 76.5 levels at the first target. So if you're buying at 76.2, be careful till 76.5, 76.6. That is the first resistance, and then 77, the next one. Now, if it stays beyond 77, next targets are 77.4 and then 77.8 and 78. Only and only if oil trades above 78, that's a reversal here. Else, the signs are not very much encouraging or supportive for the bulls. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 75.5 levels or 75.4. Below 75.5, you four levels, you can take a selling entry for 75, 74.8 as the first target, 74.5 at the next. And if that is also taken, then you can just stay bearish for 73.8, 73.2 levels. Very. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Let's move to natural. So see what net gas is doing after hitting the lows. It is shown one bounce back candle. It is retracing, and then it is now very important. See, 3.45 was the support earlier, and now this is going to be the resistance. So now it is very important for net gas to break beyond 3.45 and then 3.5 levels. If these two levels are taken, you can expect that the next move is going to take it possibly towards 3.6 levels. Right now I can see a potential reversal sign here, but I have to wait. We have to wait for it to give you a breakout. See what is happening. One rise, then retracement, and this candle, if it stays above 3.45, we can look forward to a good rise in the forthcoming candles where 3.5, 3.55, or in fact 3.6 should be there. Stochastic dropping here. MACD is trading with modest divergence, little bullishness here. RSI running flat here. Coming to 2 on the 2-hour chart, similar observation, rise retracement, and now waiting for a breakout beyond 3.45 is where you can expect little bullishness here, where 3.5, 3.55, or in fact 3.6 can be seen. It can try to fill the gap, and it is possible that it can wait for the data to tomorrow, where the inventory data for net gas might bring a little volatility here. But at the same time, notice that any drop below 3.38 should lead to more bearishness. Stochastic is trying to look downwards, while the MACD, if you see, it is bottomed here and it is trading with little bullishness. So it is suggestive of slight recovery from here. Possibility is there, but now we have to wait for it to break beyond 3.45 levels in order to confirm the reversal. RSI coming out of the oversold zone, trying to suggest slight bullishness here. Coming to the 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation, drop, retracement, drop, and now it is looking downwards. Wait for it to stay below 3.38. That will be the confirmation of further drop, and this time if it stays below 3.38, expect 3.34 and 3.3 levels as the next target. Notice what is happening after the drop, retracement, drop, and it is just consolidating sideways. The direction it takes after the breakout, any move beyond 3.5 and 3.55 is definitely a sign of reversal, but till then, notice that the moving averages have crossed over. These are trading with divergence. These are still suggestive of more bearishness. Stochastic rising from the oversold zone, it appears a double bottom and a recovery towards the top here. The MACD, if you look at it, has hit the bottom and wait for a crossover here. This crossover can signal a reversal here. If you see this, after every such drop, it follows with a retracement, and after this drop, it can follow with a reversal here. So yes, 3.4 to 3.45 is the zone. You should wait and for it to break past by. RSI at bottom here. On the 4-hour charts, if you see a little resistance here, and now it is to break beyond this, which is very important. Right now I can see it is struggling here itself at 3.42. So now yes, you can buy here at 3.4 to 3.45 zone. 3.45 is the most critical one, and then 3.5. Only and only if it breaks beyond this, you can say that the bulls are back. Stochastic oversold, double bottom here. Possibly it can move to the top here. The MACD trading sharply bearish. Wait for a crossover here, which will confirm the reversal. The RSI has dropped, trading sideways, trading bearish. Coming to the daily charts. Now on the daily charts, notice one important point here is the 50 period moving average. Very good support. See what has happened on these two occasions, what has happened on these four occasions. It has dropped below 50 period, then bounced back swiftly, and see, notice that every drop it offsets with a bigger rise. So this time again it has dropped to the same zone, and if it recovers from the current levels, and if you see it is staying below beyond 20 period moving average, which means now it is very important for net gas to break beyond 3.55, 3.6 zone, which will confirm the reversal and which can also lead to rally. It is possible that it can give you a greener candle today. It can move towards 3.5, 3.55 today, and tomorrow it gives you a breakout towards 3.6, 3.7 with the inventory data. Stochastic, if you look at it, is already at the bottom. It is oversold. The MACD is the one which is critical. It is looking downwards and it is still bearish, and the RSI has dropped. So considering this, now I'll recommend you to buy at 3.425, expect 3.45. Now 3.45 is the only level which will confirm a further rise, where I will be looking forward to 3.5, 3.54. and then 3.6. Now 3.5, 3.54, 3.6. These are the crucial numbers which NetGuess has to break in order to confirm a reversal. While on the downside, a selling entry is at 3.38. Yes, if you see it is staying below 3.380, take a selling entry, expect it to move towards 3.34, 3.3. And if it stays below 3.3, 3.26 and 3.2 are the next targets which are going to remain the prime support zone. 3.26 very strong support, and then 3.2 very, very strong. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel membership share on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates. Thank